line. A point determines a location. This is a point O. It is also known as dot. Next, line segment. Line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. This is a AB line segment. Here there are two endpoints, point A and point B. Next, ray. Ray is also a part of line. It has only one endpoint and it extends endlessly in another direction. PQ is a ray. It has only one endpoint, that is point P, and it extends in one direction endlessly. Next, line. Line has no endpoints and it can be extended in both the directions. UV is a line. It can be extended in both the directions. Next, angle. Angle is formed by the two rays starting from the common point. This is an angle AOB. There are two rays, ray OA and ray OB. These rays are called as arms or sides of the angle. And these two rays meet at the same point. The point is called the vertex of the angle. Next, types of angles. There are 6 types of angles. First one, acute angle. The angle below 90 degrees is known as acute angle. This is an acute angle with below 90 degrees. Next, obtuse angle. The angle with greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is known as obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle with greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Next, right angle. The angle with 90 degrees is known as right angle. Here the angle is exactly 90 degrees, so it is a right angle. with 180 degrees is known as straight angle. This is a straight angle with 180 degrees. Next, complete angle. The angle with 360 degrees is known as complete angle. This is a 360 degrees angle. Next, reflex angle. The angle with greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. This is the reflex angle. If two lines meet at the same point, then the lines are called as intersecting lines. Here we can observe two lines, line AC and line BD. These two lines meet at the same point, so they are called as intersecting lines. Next, parallel lines. These lines not have any common point. The lines are called as parallel lines. These lines not have any common point and they are parallel to each other, so they are called as parallel lines. And they are also known as non-intersecting lines. Because they do not intersect at the point. More lines meet at the same point, then the lines are called as concurrent lines. We can observe many lines meet at the same point, so they are called as concurrent lines, and the point where they meet is called concurrence. There are two pairs of angles. First one, complementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angle is called as complementary angle. Angle x plus angle y equal to 90. Angle x and angle y are the two angles. Here we can observe two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC. Let one angle AOB x and another angle BOC y. So let's take x value 30 degrees, and we have to find the value of y. If you substitute this x value in this equation, we can get the value of y. angle x 30 plus angle y equal to 90. Angle y equal to 90 plus 30 transfer to the RHS and it will become minus 30. Angle y equal to 60 degrees. So we got the two values, angle x equal to 30 degrees and angle y equal to 60 degrees. Their sum is 90. So they are called as complementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called as supplementary angles. Angle x plus angle y equal to 180 degrees. This is same as complementary angle, but complementary angle sum is 90, supplementary angle sum is 180. Here also we can observe two angles, angle AOC and angle BOC. So let one angle x and another angle y. Let y equal to 40 degrees and we have to find the value of x. So we can substitute this value in this equation. Angle x plus angle y 40 equal to 180. Angle x equal to 180 minus 40. Angle x equal to 140 degrees. We got the two values, angle x 140 and angle y 40. Their sum is 180. So they are known as supplementary angles. Thank you.